Just how deep does the ocean go? If you took the highest point on land and submerged, it would still have more.
The oceans harbor 99% of all living space on Earth and have enough water to fill a bathtub that's 6
on each side. For scale, here's a human and here's a blue whale, the largest animal on Earth.
Pillars. Blue whales usually hunt at depths of around 330 feet, within the well-lit zone of the ocean.
At 831 feet, we reached the deepest freedive in recorded history. Down here, the pressure
Levels, which would crush most human lungs. But whales manage it, diving to a max depth of 1,640 feet.
At 2,400 feet, we reached the danger zone for modern nuclear attack submarines. Any deeper, and the submarine's hull would implode.
2,722 feet down is where the tip of the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, would reach.
We've now entered the midnight zone. Many animals down here can't see.
At this depth, temperatures are just a few degrees above freezing, but the waters around hydrothermal vents can heat up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit.
9,816 feet is the deepest any mammal has been recorded swimming,
which rests at a staggering depth of 12,500 feet. The pressure is now 378 times greater than at the surface.
Yet, you can still find sea life like the fangtooth, hagfish, and Dumbo Octopus, the deepest living octopus on Earth.
At 20,000 feet is the Hadal Zone, an area designated for the ocean's deepest trenches, like the Mariana Trench.
If you tipped Mount Everest into the Mariana Trench, its summit would reach down to 29,020
for the race. In 2012, a pioneering explorer and filmmaker descended to 35,756 feet,
which was set by oceanographer Jacques Piccard and Dr. Don Walsh in 1960. Piccard and Walsh descended at a record 35,797 feet below the surface. Since then, scientists have sent runs, including Curio, which collected over 350 species off the seafloor between 1995 and 2000.
Humans have explored an estimated 5 to 10% of Earth's oceans. We've only just begun to understand the deep, dark world that flows beneath us.
We've only just begun to understand the deep, dark world that flows beneath us.